Welcome to the PrimeX Path, the PrimeX Path journey. These are my courses where we embark on an incredible journey of self discovery and career transformation. I'm your host, Bharti Bhaskar, and I'm thrilled to have you with me today. Imagine for a moment that you are standing at the edge of a lush, mysterious forest. This forest represents the start of your journey, a place where self discovery begins and where you will uncover the true essence of who you are. As your guide, I'm here with the map, ready to lead you through every stage of this transformative adventure. So, in today's episode, we are diving into the four pivotal stages of my PrimeX Path journey. Each represents or it's represented by a unique and powerful landscape. We will start our journey in the forest of discovery. So, where you will explore your deepest strengths and passions. Then we will climb the mountain of potential, a place where you will develop and hone your skills. Next, we will navigate the ocean of congruence, aligning your career goals with your personal values. And finally, we will soar into the space of empowerment, where you will set your sight on achieving your highest career aspirations. So, let me share a screen. I hope you are able to see it. That's so when we are leveling up, we want to do it intentionally. We want to set intentions for each level and then move up. So enigma is the stage where most of us are like confused. We don't know what to do, where to go, which direction to head. Potential is when we find out our potential and then we have clarity. We know, we now know where we can go with what we have. And then congruence, aligning um, your potential and your path. And once you are on your journey, the journey you're meant to take, you scale up, right? So I will, so whether you're tuning in from your favorite cozy spot or on the go, get ready to explore these stages with me. I will share insights, tips, and inspiration to help you unlock your potential and navigate your path to success. So let's dive in. The very first stage that we call the womb or the baseline or the enigma stage. And I can also give you an analogy as the forest of discovery. So imagine yourself at the edge of an enchanting, deep forest, dense with mystery and potential. This forest symbolizes the enigma stage, where your journey of self discovery begins. With me as your guide, holding the map to this vast woodland, you will navigate through winding paths and hidden clearings. My self-assessment tools and reflective exercises will help you uncover your true self amidst the forest secrets. Picture yourself emerging from the trees with a newfound clarity, thinking, I have found the essence of who I am. Now comes the stage one. This is the very first stage. That was the womb stage. And now you're out of the womb, right? So this is called the larva stage, the mountain of potential. With your self discovery behind you, It's time to ascend the mountain of potential. This stage is about climbing higher and higher, discovering and developing your latent abilities. Just as a climber sails a mountain, you will face challenges that test and strengthens you. Guided by expert mentors, you will gain the skills and confidence needed to conquer your personal peaks. Imagine reaching the summit, feeling the exhilaration of having developed a powerful skill, set ready to tackle whatever comes next with resounding, I've got this. Stage two, chrysalis, the ocean of congruence. Next, you will dive into the ocean of congruence, where your skills and passions flow seamlessly together. This stage is like exploring the deep, serene waters where everything starts to align perfectly. With personalized coaching and networking opportunities, you will chart a course that matches your values with the right career path. Visualize yourself swimming effortlessly, discovering a role that not only fits but feels like home. You don't swim against the current, but you flow along the current seamlessly, smoothly. This is where your career aspirations and personal fulfillment merge into one harmonious journey. Now comes the stage three, the butterfly, the space of empowerment. So finally, you will venture into the vast expanse of space, the realm of power up or scale up. Here, the sky is the limit as you prepare to launch into new heights. Whether you are aiming to make a significant impact in your current role, power up, or reach for the stars and take on leadership positions, you will have all the support and resources you need. Picture yourself floating weightlessly among the stars, achieving your goals and making an impact far beyond what you imagined. This is where your career and personal growth reach their highest potential. God forbid, even if you fall, you will fall into the ocean. It will act like a cushion. Nobody will be hurt. And the ocean will carry you through. Again, you will walk through um, your potential and passion path seamlessly without getting hurt. And basically, you will have a cushion, right? That will not happen once you reach the stars. You're there, right? So, what is your ultimate path? By the end of the PrimeX path, you won't just be ready for the professional world, you will be prepared to excel in it. Each stage of this journey, from the forest to the stars, will have equipped you with the insight, skills, and strategy needed to thrive. With me guiding you through every stage, ensuring you navigate each terrain with purpose and precision, the path to your specific destiny will become clear. The adventure is yours and it starts now. So, where was I? So, as we wrap up today's journey through the forest of discovery, the mountain of potential, the ocean of congruence, and the space of empowerment, I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to take the next step in your professional adventure. If you're excited to embark on this transformative journey with me as your guide, I invite you to enroll in my course, the PrimeX Path. The course is designed to take you through each of the stages, helping you uncover your true self, develop your skills, align your career with your passion, and ultimately achieve your highest aspirations. With personalized guidance, hands on workshops, and strategic insights, you will have everything you need to navigate your path with confidence and clarity. Don't wait. Your journey to a fulfilling and successful career starts now. To enroll in the PrimeX Path and begin your adventure, simply visit my website. I have given the link below and take the first step towards transforming your future. I have given you the pizza offer, the famous pizza offer, please make use of that. As soon this offer will be over and my courses will be given at the value it's worth, right? So thank you for joining me today, the PrimeX Path journey. I'm excited to see you on this path and support you every step of the way. Until next time, keep reflecting, keep growing, and keep reaching for the stars. Well, don't just dream about your future, embark on this incredible journey with me as your guide. I insist. If you're ready to explore the forest, conquer the mountain, dive into the ocean, and reach for the stars, join me on the PrimeX Path. This isn't just a course, it's the start of a transformative adventure. Let's chart your course to success today. I'll see you at the other side. I'm sure you will definitely enroll today.